Deep within the heart of the Amazon rainforest, where the rivers wind like ancient veins through the dense jungle, a silent predator moves beneath the water surface. The anaconda, a creature of myth, mystery, and unmatched power. The green anaconda, Unex murinus, is the largest and heaviest snake in the world. Though not the longest, that title belongs to the reticulated python. Anacondas can reach lengths of over 30 feet and weigh more than 500 pounds. Unlike most snakes, the anaconda thrives in the water, where its massive body is nearly weightless. Here, in the flooded forests and murky rivers, the anaconda is king. It is an apex predator, feared by all, yet rarely seen. The anaconda is not a hunter in the traditional sense. It does not chase its prey, it waits. Patient and unseen, it blends seamlessly into its environment, relying on the element of surprise. Once it strikes, escape is impossible. The anaconda's powerful coils tighten with each exhale, suffocating its prey before swallowing it whole. A single meal can sustain these giants for weeks, sometimes even months. Unlike many reptiles, female anacondas grow significantly larger than males. During the breeding season, multiple males compete for a single female, forming a breeding ball, a riding mass of snakes that can last for weeks. Unlike most snakes, anacondas give birth to live young, up to 40 at a time. But the jungle is unforgiving. Only a few will survive to adulthood, avoiding predators like jaguars, caimans, and even their own kind. For centuries, legends have spoken of giant serpents lurking in the Amazon, capable of swallowing men whole. While anacondas are certainly formidable, they are not the monsters of myth. In truth, they avoid humans whenever possible. These creatures are essential to the ecosystem. As top predators, they regulate populations of prey animals, maintaining balance in the jungle. But habitat destruction and fear-driven killings threaten their survival. The anaconda, a relic of prehistoric times, continues to reign in the shadows of the rainforest. A silent predator, a master of patience, and a vital part of one of the most extraordinary ecosystems on Earth.